normal person, and I think normal people connect to normal people. Now, in the society that we live in, there's more normal people than there are like fancy, posh people. Yeah, so I think that it's because I'm myself and I'm a normal people. That's why people connect. Yeah.
So you feel like Ashley's always Ashley, whether the camera's on or off. You get the same kind of person.
Yes, definitely.
All right, you leave the house, and then from what I saw on social media, some of the girls start talking about your man, Mr. Sweet Guluva. Let's talk about that.
How do you know that? Because you just said you didn't watch.
Oh,
so.
I watched enough, girl. I do my research.
Okay.
What was that like? Because obviously you're no longer in the house. There's stuff like shower hour. For those people that don't know what Big Brother is, there's one particular point within the day, maybe twice, where the water's hot. So you guys sort of got to take showers together at the same time. It's a trippy thing. But you're not in that house. You know, your man's is in there. Ladies are just doing all kinds of things to get his attention. How did that make you feel?
Like, honestly, it's not nice to watch and see stuff like that. But I think that I had a trust in him. That I knew, okay, he's not gonna go over the limit. He done more than I expected. I'm not gonna lie.
What did he do?
He done more than I expected, but he didn't do enough for me to be mad at him. But yeah, but I guess that like, he has the freedom of doing stuff, but just not crossing that line. I know a lot of people are going to say, I'm controlling, and yes, it's my boyfriend. I can control him if I want to. I can control him. If I want to, I will.
What was the eyebrow raiser where you were like, yeah? Oh, okay.
I don't think it was any specific thing. I would just say when I was there, he was like more, he didn't really communicate much. But then when I left, he communicated more. But yeah, he's out now, and we good. So yeah.
Are you dating, or was it like?
Nah, we dating.
He's your
dating,
man.
yeah.
And
we dating. Yes.
Okay, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Have you received any hate as a result of this relationship? How are people taking the whole, you guys